Is she trying to get you?
She just swooped right by my head.
She's sitting on that fence.
I'm just trying to help, Birdie.
Do you see the baby?
Yeah, right there. I done like 4 of them have been fighting. I'm good.
Baby,
Nothing I can do about it.
what if a squirrel gets him?
Huh?
What if a squirrel gets him?
What?
What if a squirrel gets him?
Baby, then that's Mother Nature. There ain't nothing I can do. I ain't finna lose an eye for a baby bird.
Go get your eye.
That damn bird just flew right by my head this far and you over here doing this.
I got it on film.
You got it on film flying right by my head?
I got it. Go get it.
I'm not picking that bird up.
Baby.
That bird's gonna get me.
Well, if she knows that you're trying to help him.
I can't tell a bird that. It's not smaller than a fucking pin needle.
What? Just pick her up slowly.
It's done flew by my head.
I think it's over there on the other side of the fence.
There's all kinds of birds over there walking around.
I think she's on the ground over there by the fence.
It's in their yard over there.
Yeah.
It's on the back side over there. It'll be alright. It's strong enough
And
to
they got,
almost fly.
they have bunny rabbits over there.
Bunny rabbits don't eat fucking birds.
If they're hungry, they will.
No, they will not. They're a herbivore. Not a carnivore.
So.
They have liver too.